This entire grid uses one bend animation. Stagger shifts the timing from one copy to the next. Start with a simple rectangle shape. Remove the fill and keep a pink outline. Add a Bend Deformer to curve the square. Make the bend vertical and anchor it to the bottom. Bend angle controls how far the square curves. Add an oscillator directly to bend angle. Its range defines the two extremes of the deformation. Use BPM timing to control how quickly the cycle repeats. Press play. The bend now animates without keyframes. Add a duplicator to repeat the animated square. A grid distribution arranges the copies in 2 dimensions. Fill the canvas with evenly spaced copies. Without stagger, every copy bends at the same time. Increase stagger and each copy moves at a different time. The deformation stays identical, only the timing changes. One bend animation creates the entire staggered pattern. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.